A good automotive diagnostic scanner is no longer just about reading a check engine code. The real difference comes from what you can do after that code appears, from system diagnostics and service resets to key programming, active tests, and advanced vehicle functions. That is what makes these 5 scanners interesting to compare. Some focus on broad, everyday diagnostics, while others add deeper programming and immobilizer capabilities. We looked at their listed features, functionality, and customer feedback to see where each one fits best. If you're comparing automotive diagnostic scanners in 2026, pay close attention to the functions you actually need, because the most feature-rich option isn't necessarily the right fit for every buyer. Let's start with the 5th-ranked model. Number 5. XTOOL X100 Pads. The XTOOL X100 Pads is built for buyers who need more than basic OBD2 scanning, combining full system diagnostics with professional IMO and key programming functions. It supports PIN code reading, new key programming, all keys lost procedures, chip operations, auto-VIN, and more than 32 service functions. Its 8-in-1 live data display can also help monitor multiple vehicle parameters at once. Customer feedback is largely positive, with several buyers describing it as easy to use, quick to update, and capable of successful key programming. One recurring drawback is the relatively weak battery, although reviewers note that it does not affect performance. For mechanics, locksmiths, or DIY users who want diagnostic and key programming capabilities in one device, the X100 Pads offers a broad feature set. Number 4. THINKSCAN 689BT. The THINKSCAN 689BT focuses on giving mechanics and serious DIY users a wide range of diagnostic and service functions in one portable scanner. It features an 8-inch display, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, a built-in battery, and 34 reset functions with lifetime free updates. The scanner also supports functions such as battery service, DPF regeneration, IMO-related operations, and full system diagnostics. Customer feedback is particularly encouraging around its functionality and ease of use. Several users report that it works well across different vehicle brands, while one mechanic described it as a capable universal diagnostic device. There is a minor limitation, though. One reviewer mentioned that scanning older vehicles can take longer. Overall, the THINKSCAN 689BT looks well suited to buyers who want broad diagnostic coverage without stepping into a more specialized professional setup. Number 3. Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro. For buyers who want a straightforward, professional-style diagnostic scanner, the Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro brings a 7-inch touchscreen, Android 11, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and a 5,000 mAh battery. It supports full system diagnostics, along with more than 38 special service functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, battery registration, and sensor relearning. The product information also positions it for DIY users, home mechanics, and small to medium-sized workshops. Customer feedback is strongly positive, with reviewers mentioning successful fault reading and clearing across multiple vehicles, along with good packaging and performance. One buyer did note that the packaging was relatively light, although the device arrived without damage. If you want a capable scanner with a familiar touchscreen interface and substantial service functionality, the MK808BT Pro is worth considering. Number 2. MUCAR 892BT. The MUCAR 892BT takes automotive diagnostics a step further with an 8-inch display, bidirectional controls, ECU coding, full system diagnostics, and more than 34 maintenance reset functions. It also supports CAN-FD and DOIP protocols, while the product information highlights more than 3,000 active tests and AI-assisted diagnostic features. That combination makes it particularly interesting for buyers who need advanced functions beyond simple code reading. Customer feedback is generally positive, with several users describing the scanner as responsive, easy to update, and effective on their vehicles. One reviewer initially raised concerns about the screen scratching, but later clarified that the issue involved the protective film. Another recurring observation is that the device is quick to use and updates without much difficulty. For users seeking broader diagnostic and active test capabilities, the MUCAR 892BT stands out as a feature-rich option. Number 1. Launch X431 X-Prog 3. The Launch X431 X-Prog 3 is aimed at buyers working with vehicle immobilizer and key programming tasks rather than basic code reading alone. Its listed capabilities include anti-theft IC reading and writing, key and remote-related functions, and compatibility with launch diagnostic platforms, such as the X431 PAD series. The product information also highlights support for multiple programming and immobilizer operations, making it a more specialized tool within this group. Customer feedback is positive, with the available reviews showing a high rating and comments focused on good delivery and the product arriving in very good condition. Because this tool is designed around key and immobilizer work, it makes the most sense for users whose needs go beyond conventional OBD2 diagnostics and into more specialized automotive security and programming tasks. Across these 5 automotive diagnostic scanners, the biggest differences come down to functionality, programming capabilities, service features, and the type of user each tool is designed for. Some are better suited to everyday diagnostics, while others target more advanced key and immobilizer work. Your ideal choice ultimately depends on your vehicle needs, experience, and budget. Check the product links in the description for more details, and let me know which scanner you would choose. If this comparison helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more practical buying guides.